Here are 20 facts on Martian weather and climate. Mars has a much colder and drier climate than Earth due to its thin atmosphere and distance from the Sun. The Martian atmosphere is composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with small amounts of nitrogen, argon, and oxygen. The atmospheric pressure on Mars is less than 1% of Earth's. The planet cannot retain heat very well and is subject to extreme temperature fluctuations. Mars experiences strong winds, dust storms, and seasonal changes that affect its climate. The planet's axial tilt is similar to Earth's, which means that it has seasons that last about twice as long as Earth's due to its longer orbital period. During the Martian summer, the planet's polar ice caps shrink and the atmosphere becomes more turbulent, leading to intense dust storms that can cover much of the planet. Martian dust storms can last for months and can be so severe that they can block out the sun and interfere with solar-powered spacecraft. Mars has the largest dust storms in the solar system, with some reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour. The Martian atmosphere is much thinner than Earth's, which means that it is subject to more solar radiation than Earth. Mars has a weaker magnetic field than Earth, which means that it is more vulnerable to solar wind and radiation. Mars has a thin layer of water ice clouds that can form near the poles during the winter months. The Martian atmosphere is also subject to temperature inversions, where the temperature increases with altitude instead of decreasing. Mars has a much colder climate than Earth, with average temperatures around -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -62 degrees Celsius. The Martian atmosphere contains trace amounts of methane, which could be a sign of geological or biological activity on the planet. Mars has a thin ozone layer that is vulnerable to depletion by solar radiation. Mars has a dry climate, with an average humidity of less than 1%. Mars has a low albedo, which means that it absorbs more solar radiation than it reflects, contributing to its warming over time. Studying Martian weather and climate can provide important insights into the planet's habitability and potential for human settlement. Understanding Martian climate and weather is important for planning future missions to the planet, including the design of habitats and infrastructure that can withstand its extreme conditions.